I think one of the really nice things about Regina is that not only are there things happening and you can find them, but it's still small enough. One person can make a big difference and start something new and exciting. My name is Madeleine Greenway, and I'm the 2023 Artist in Residence at the Balkwill Center in the city of Regina. As for North Central, it's been my neighborhood for almost my whole life. My parents were always gardening, and that I just kind of learned by being around. And now my kid is also working in the garden with me. It's really beautiful and really special that I now get to bring my daughter into that tradition as well. And I'm always super proud when she is excited to eat something from the garden, or she wants to give the things that we grow in our garden away to other people. It has become this family tradition that I value really highly, and I look forward to seeing how that can continue with my kid. The really nice thing about kind of having a garden is that you tend to meet other gardeners. People tend to stop by and ask questions or just say something nice. So it does very organically become this center of community and kind of connection with people. North Central seems to have way more gardens than I have seen in any other neighborhood. Having grown up in the neighborhood and loving my neighborhood and loving the folks that kind of are around and feeling really grateful for the fact that I grew up there, I really hadn't seen people talking about North Central in a positive sense, in a public sense, in art, in a broader sense. I really want to just continually bring more of the arts into North Central and bring North Central more into the arts. So I formed the project as a way of really bringing North Central to the forefront for something really lovely. So most of my work talking about people usually shows up in the form of portraits. I want to capture the ecosystem that forms around a gardener and my neighbors and my friends who live nearby and the webs of connections and things between people, which is really lovely, both in terms of family and a neighborhood. This is only a small project, but it has been a really wonderful beginning to exploring a lot of those connections. This residency program is a nice demonstration of tangible support from the city of Regina, showing that they want to make the arts more accessible to the citizens of the city of Regina.